Hello, it's Rosebud, and today I'm going to show you how I do my natural eyeshadow look. And what I tend to do before I apply anything onto my eyes is first of all I'm going to apply a cold wet flannel to my eyes to reduce any puffiness. I mean, you don't have to use a flannel, you can use cucumber or anything that is cold and just place it gently onto your eyes, and that should help reduce the puffiness. Now I'm going to apply the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Primer, which is perfect for canvas before you apply your makeup. So next I apply concealer. It's a natural tan concealer. Again, it's from Bobbi Brown's, and I'm just going to dot that all over my face. Just blend that in. I'm going to apply a bit more of the concealer just under the eyebrows and just blend that with my fingers, and this should help open up the eyelids. Now going to apply powder, or you can use a light eyeshadow to my top eyelid. This will help keep your eyeshadow on your eyelids longer, and it will stop any creases from occurring. So I'm just going to tidy up my eyebrows using an eyebrow brush. And now I'm going to apply the eyebrow filler, and I'm going to use this flat define brush from Estee Lauder, and this will help fill in my eyebrows. I'm not going to apply it heavily. Remember, we want a natural look, so just gentle strokes. And then again, to smooth it out, I'm going to use the eyebrow grooming brush just to smooth it over. Next, I'm going to apply eyeshadow, and I'm using NYX. I've never used this before, so this is the first time I'm using it. And the colour I'm going to go for first is the beige colour here. And I'm going to apply this just underneath my eyebrows to open up my eyes. This will make your eyelids look wider. So I'm now going to switch brushes. This is an eyeshadow blending brush, and again using a light colour, I'm going to go in on the lower lid, just apply that all over, and that should hold any other eyeshadow that you go in with. And now I'm going to go in with a darker colour, this colour here, and I'm going to blend that using the same brush. So I'm applying and blending as I go along. So just keep applying and blending so it doesn't look harsh. I'm using a regular brush to apply the brown colour eyeshadow, and then I'm going to use my blender brush to blend that in, and I'm going to bring it out slightly like that. Finally, I'm using a flat head brush and applying a black colour eyeshadow to the middle of the eyelash line. So I find it useful looking up. So I'm going to put most of that on the outer corner of my eyes, and this will help define the eyes, make them look larger by bringing the darker colours to the outer corner of the eye. So that is it, the eyeshadow is complete. I'm now going to apply the eyeliner and mascara to finish off, and I'll be right back. So this is the completed look. I hope you like this video. Please leave a like and please subscribe to my channel. If you've got any comments, then please leave them down below. All the products that I used in this video will be linked in the description box below. So thanks for watching.